Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. Battery's dead. That's the worst sound ever. I'm gonna show you how to change the battery. All right guys, I got my tester on there. It's reading 14.5, which is about right when the alternator's working. I got this other thing somebody gave me, and this is also saying the alternator is okay, normal. So this is what the battery reads without the car on, so it's less than 12. So let's change the battery. Okay, we're gonna start by loosening up these terminals. These are 1/2 inch because they're aftermarket, so you might have a different, probably 12 millimeter or something. Once you get that, you just kind of take a screwdriver to kind of pry this open a little bit, and now you're able to take this off. Do the same thing here. Now you can pull out the battery. All right, this is a new battery, and 24F is the size you need, okay? All right, before you put the battery in, take this tray out, clean it up, and, clean out any leaves or anything you have under here. Okay, next you want to clean the inside of these terminals. I got this little gadget, cleans the inside of the terminal here, and this other side cleans the top of the post for the battery. We have a new battery, so we don't have to use that side, but just clean this up as best you can. All right, drop in your tray. Drop in your battery. These posts come out. And I'm gonna try to seat it as far down as possible. All right, tying up the terminals. Now you're gonna put this bracket in. And when you're gonna see this hook, it's gonna hook to a hole down here. Where are you, hole? There you go. All right, so you're gonna put your 10 millimeter here. Check to make sure these are tight also. All right, let's start it up. All right, guys, she starts right up. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.